Brand new video opening and unboxing the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Alright, so this is the package, and as you can see I opened it, but I didn't open the product itself. Alright, I bought 2 more batteries, so if the one broke I can have 2 other ones which I can use. Alright, so these are the batteries. Okay, and this is the special bundle from GoPro Hero 8 Black. Let me just remove the package. Alright, and okay, so this is it. As you can see, the special bundle, accessories included, 4K 12MP photos, 8x slow motion, hyper smooth 2.0, and so on. Amazing. This is the GoPro. Okay, so we shall open it. All right. I don't think this is the right way to open it, but whatever. Oh, okay. Wow, look at this. Amazing. The GoPro Hero 8 Black. Brand new. First time open it. I will use this so much. Okay. All right. This is pretty good, pretty safe. We will leave that right here. And we will see the GoPro, what it has inside, alright? GoPro Plus Unlimited. The manual how to mount it on your head, how to charge it. Okay. Have questions, manual. Oh, okay, some more stickers. Yesterday I revealed a video unboxing the GoPro Hero 8 9, which the stickers had 3, so the 8 has only 2, but they're good enough. Good enough for me. Safe instructions, how to use it, how to, if you do have problems with it. And what else? Oh, amazing. So we have a 32GB SanDisk SD card, which you can't make videos without it, right? You need it. And there are 2 batteries. Whoa! I thought it has only 1. So now I have 4 batteries in total. Yeah, that's great. Great news. Charging cable, the same like the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Amount, the same like the 9th yesterday. But this is amazing too, right? Look at this. Amount until you're in for your body, right? So it was this one. This one, amazing. This is the mount. You can see it clearly. Okay, and the GoPro itself. I don't know if I can open it like this. Whoa. Okay, the tripod. Let me just leave the GoPro Hero 8 here. Pretty cool tripod actually. Very usable. Wow. Okay, pretty nice. Can we remove it from the mount? Oh, it's here, okay. How to remove this from the mount? Let me just see. Alright, so I removed it from the mount. Now let's connect it Let's connect this to the tripod. Okay, yes. Looks good enough. If you can see it. Not at the right place. Okay, now looks better. And look at that tripod. Finally mounted it. Looks amazing. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Tap, 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 and amazing. Okay, so this was the mount in the case itself. And we might use this later on. We need to remove this from the... Okay. The GoPro Hero 8 Black. Pretty good until now. I'm pretty sure that GoPro has a lot to offer. Alright, so these were the two batteries which I got. I ordered them. I didn't know that the case itself would have two batteries. I thought only one. That's why I ordered two more. So if one of them got damaged or I needed battery or was filming something, I need battery, right? Let's see how the batteries are. Okay, pretty cool. A big package for a little battery. But pretty nice. Or the other way. Okay, my fault. Let me just do it like this. Well, there's nothing in it besides the battery, so I'll just remove the battery. Here you go. Same battery. So I got 4 batteries in total. And so let's get to the GoPro Hero 8. Pretty cool, right? Very smooth. Very amazing, very effective. I think it's the right one for traveling, making vlogs, and I mean you can put it in your pocket, right? It doesn't take much of space. Okay, so let's remove this. Or should we check if the back, if it has any? Okay, let's put one of the batteries. Good. Let's close it, and it turned on, I think. Yes, it did. Let me just remove this. Voila! GoPro Hero 8 Black. Amazing. The same setup. We click on, if you can see this right. Sorry for the bad quality of the video. Legal stuff, agree. GPS on. And we're gonna have to do the same stuff that we did with the GoPro Hero 9, which I gotta install the GoPro app on my phone in order to update it.